Hi everyone! In this video, we'll explore some of the best online tools available to help you recover and repair damaged video files. Whether it's due to an interrupted download, a bad transfer, or software glitches, we've got you covered with solutions to get your videos back in working condition. Stay tuned as we dive into these easy-to-use online tools and guide you step by step through the process. Let's start with Clever Online Video Repair. This is a 100% free-to-use video recovery online tool. It supports a wide range of video file formats, including MP4, MOV, 3GP, M4A, and more. It can fix video files for up to 5 gigabytes, offers unlimited repair, and the results can be downloaded directly on your computer. In order to repair a corrupted video, you can follow these simple steps. 1. Upload the broken file here. You can choose a device that you used so you can get better results on the repairing process. But if you're not sure of the device, you can simply choose Unknown Device. 2. Upload a healthy video with similar settings. This tool extracts decoding data from the healthy sample and uses it to locate and reconstruct the video and audio streams in the damaged file. Once uploading is done, you have to create an account. Having an account helps you manage your files securely and prevents unauthorized access on your private data. 3. The repair begins, and once it's finished, you can now download the repaired file and watch the results. The next tool is EaseUS. It's a video recovery tool that offers free and paid repair service. It supports a variety of file formats, including MOV, MP4, M2TS, MKV, and other formats listed here. They claim that their tool can repair videos shot from any device, such as drones, CCTVs, and action cameras. The free version offers a 1 video repair per day with a file limit of 500 megabytes. To repair a corrupted video, simply follow these 3 simple steps. 1. Upload the corrupted video here. Input your email to proceed with the repair process. 2. Start the repair process. If the quick repair doesn't work, you have to upload a working video file with similar settings. Once done uploading a healthy file, the advanced repair process begins, and it might take a while to finish. 3. When the repair process is finished, you can now preview the results. Note that, in order for you to download the repaired file, you'll be needing an extraction code, or you can purchase their service. The last tool is Fix.video, a paid video recovery online tool that is capable of repairing corrupted, damaged, and unplayable MP4, MOV, M4A, 3GP, and RSV files easily. Even though it's a paid service, you can still repair a corrupted video and get a preview of the fixed file so you can see the quality of their service. Let's go through the steps on how you can repair a corrupted video. 1. Click the plus sign to upload your corrupted video. 2. You'll automatically be redirected to Video Operating Room, and the repairing process begins. It will take a while to finish. 3. Once done, you can now preview the repaired video. You'll only see a portion of it, and in order for you to get the full version, you have to purchase the repair service by clicking on this button. That's it for this video. These tools offer some of the best services available on the market. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.